The Poco X7 Pro is here, and it's packing some serious power. With a massive 108MP camera, lightning-fast 100W charging, and a 120Hz display, it's ready to shake up the smartphone market. But is it worth the hype? Stick around to find out everything you need to know about this new release before making your decision. Today, we're diving deep into the Poco X7 Pro, a phone that promises big features for a mid-range price. Whether you're looking for a better camera, faster performance, or great battery life, this device might be the one for you. Let's get into the details. The Poco X7 Pro comes with a sleek design and a 6.8-inch IPS LCD display, offering vibrant colors and sharp details with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The punch-hole front camera keeps the screen uninterrupted, giving you a full immersive experience. Plus, the Corning Gorilla Glass provides extra durability. At just the right weight, it feels good in hand while still offering solid protection. You'll also get a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking. It's a balanced blend of form and function, making it a stylish yet practical choice. Under the hood, the Poco X7 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset, which delivers powerful performance without breaking a sweat. The octa-core processor, paired with the Mali GPU, ensures that the phone can handle anything you throw at it, whether it's high-end games or multitasking between apps. With 8GB of RAM, switching between apps feels smooth, and there's no noticeable lag. Storage-wise, it comes with 128GB of internal storage, and if you need more space, you can add up to 1TB with a microSD card. For everyday users and gamers alike, this phone offers solid performance at a reasonable price point. The Poco X7 Pro boasts a quad camera setup that is led by a 108MP main camera. The sheer detail it captures is stunning, making your photos look crisp and clear, even when zooming in. There's also an 8MP ultra-wide lens for those landscape shots, and two 2MP lenses for macro and depth, adding versatility to your photography. This setup makes the phone great for different types of shots, whether you're capturing the details of a flower or a wide cityscape. The front punch-hole camera houses a 32MP selfie shooter, ensuring that your selfies are just as sharp. It even comes with screen flash for low-light situations, video recording. You get 1080p at a smooth frame rate. The camera's built-in features like digital zoom, autofocus, and face detection make it a solid option for photo enthusiasts. Battery and charging 120 watts, the Poco X7 Pro is equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery that will easily last you through a full day of heavy use. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or taking calls, this battery keeps up with you. And when you do need to charge, the 100W fast charging makes sure you don't stay plugged in for long. In fact, you can get a significant charge in just a few minutes, allowing you to get back to your day without interruptions. With this level of fast charging, long waits for your phone to recharge are a thing of the past. On the software side, the Poco X7 Pro runs on Android v14 out of the box, offering the latest features and security updates. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, with customizable options to suit your style. It also supports all the latest connectivity options, including 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and dual-band Wi-Fi. Plus, with dual-volt standby, you can seamlessly switch between calls on to different SIMs. You'll have no trouble staying connected, whether you're at home or on the go. Gaming on the Poco X7 Pro is an absolute joy, thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset and the Mali GPU. Popular titles like Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG run smoothly without any noticeable frame drops or lag. The 120Hz refresh rate makes movements feel more fluid, and the 360Hz touch sampling rate ensures that every tap and swipe is registered instantly, giving you an edge in competitive games. The phone also stays relatively cool even during extended gaming sessions, making it a solid choice for gamers who don't want to compromise on performance. The Poco X7 Pro covers all the essential connectivity options you'd expect from a modern smartphone. It's 5G ready, ensuring super-fast data speeds when available. It supports dual SIM cards, has Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, and comes with Bluetooth 5.3, offering reliable wireless connections. The phone also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is rare to see these days, but still appreciated by many. Additionally, it includes a USB-C port with USB on the go, and USB charging, making file transfers and charging quick and easy. The phone is equipped with GPS, and for security, you get both a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock. So, is the Poco X7 Pro the right phone for you? If you're looking for a smartphone that offers a premium camera, strong performance, and a display that makes everything look smooth, all at a reasonable price, this could be your next upgrade. The 108MP camera and 100W fast charging stand out in this price range, making it a serious contender for anyone looking for top features without paying flagship prices. But as always, it depends on what matters most to you, whether it's gaming, photography, or just getting through the day with a reliable battery. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what feature you're most excited about in the Poco X7 Pro. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.